Cooking with Mrs Caruso, number 2. Today we are making chocolate crackles, my favourite. You will need some cocoa, rice bubbles, cocoa, icing sugar, and some coconut. A bowl, a measuring cup and a measuring tablespoon, and some little cupcake cases. Your first job, ask an adult to help you melt the cocoa in a little saucepan. Now mix the rice bubbles, the icing sugar, the cocoa, the coconut, and then add the cocoa. And mix, mix, mix. Now spoon the mixture into the little cupcake cases. Soon it will be time to decide who gets to lick the bowl. And put into the fridge to set. Make sure you make lots because they're not going to last long.